Hey, welcome to beersjackofbbq. Check out the crab cakes we cooked on the SNS Travel Kettle. Yeah, I'm Craig, man behind the cameras, Jack. Sorry for the noise. Got leaf blowing going on across the field here. Got some tractor noise happening, but we'll do our best to see if we can filter some of that out. Today we're doing some nice jumbo lump crab cakes, so not the super jumbo, just like the jumbo lump. Made these myself. I will put the recipe up with our show more information like we always kind of do with a recipe. As you see in the beginning, we always light our grill up with the fire cups. Great product, USA made, but got the travel kettle just fired up. I'm probably going to run it 350, 400 degrees, whatever it stays at. I'm going to probably put a little aluminum foil down too, because the crab cakes, it does call for 3/4 cup of breadcrumbs. I put almost half of that in there, so I want more crab than anything. So wanted to do keep the aluminum foil down just to make sure they stay together on the grates, and then I'll flip them once. So probably going to go 5-10 minutes on one side and 5-10 minutes on the other, and get it to about 160 probably on the inside, and that's going to be it for this one. So see you on the grill. All right, so we got it running up there. Like I said, it's close to 400 right now. Just gonna, I made these a few hours ago, and I had them in the fridge chilling. So I'm gonna put them this way for now. As I said, probably gotta let them go a good 10 minutes. Get some browning on the top, and then we'll see from there. But I'll probably bring it back, show you what it's looking like along the way. All right, let's check it out. Actually, I left it on here almost 20 minutes. We're getting some browning going, but I wanted to get that temperature up a little bit more. So we're getting a nice temperature, 120s. That actually dropped a little. So I'm going to flip them over now, and I'm going to try to bring the ones to the front and move the ones to the back, but they're a little delicate yet because, like I said, it's a lot of crab. You know what? Well, I'm going to bring you back. I'm going to go get a spatula so I can get these off easier. All right, let's try this again. That was falling apart in my hand, and I don't want to lose it that way. Just want to kind of shift them around a little bit. Sorry about that. But you can tell I don't have a lot of filler in here because these crab cakes are wanting to fall apart. And there's only one egg in here in the recipe. So, all right, let's leave them go. We're going to let them get to about 165. You got some nice crust going on here, but probably another 10 minutes. All right, so I was just checking them, and we're going to pull 3 of them off, and then we'll just go right to the ending. For us, you can see we're at 170 there. That's right at 165 where we want to be. This one here was the one that was a little low last time I looked at it. Well, you know what? Maybe that'll come off as well. But we'll see you on the cutting board. They're looking good. As always, cheers. Here we are into the cook. Just did some crab cakes. I said jumbo lump crab cakes. Just search a recipe. Basically, it's egg, mayonnaise, Worcestershire, hot sauce. I actually made these a little bit spicier. Jack and his buddy do some hot peppers, and I had some grind that I actually threw in here as well to add a little bit of heat, along with a little bit of hot sauce. So looking forward to trying mine. Like I said, I'll post the recipe we used. But again, just search for a basic recipe. But put it on here, running 350 to 380. I'll have to go for about 15 minutes. When I checked it, I actually went about 20, and then went like a 15 minutes on the other side. And you can see like this thing's a lot of crab in here because there was a lot trouble holding it together because I cut the breadcrumbs on the recipe. I cut that not quite in half, but a good third for sure. So let's see what we got and do a little taste test here. But it looks good. Yeah, definitely falling apart. Yeah, that's good crab cake. I mean, if you like crab cakes, this is going to work. Grilled did a nice job with doing them. A little bit longer than I expected, but that's why we keep checking the temperatures. And I did check up to about 165 degrees to make sure the egg and everything was cooked. So hopefully you like what you're seeing. Subscribe to the channel, click the bell to get notifications, and we'll see you next time.